that this is the man, take a good look at him. This is the man who is responsible for what happened to you. Of course, he takes his orders from the Prime Minister, but this is the man who beat you, who thrashed you, who humiliated you, who shot you with pellet guns. All I'm saying is, be clear. We have questions. We asked you questions. Sorry. Now, there's another line of confusion. Who reports to whom? Delhi police reports to MHA. MHA is run by Mr. Amit Shah, the Home Minister. Part of the beatings was done by Delhi police. And the other side is the RAF, which reports to the CRPF, which is a paramilitary force, which also reports to the Home Minister. There was nobody else doing beatings. And these forces that did the beatings, that shot our students with pellet guns, both report to Mr. Amit Shah. There is no Haryana police operating in Delhi, no UP police operating in Delhi. There is only Delhi police operating and RAF operating. On the 25th of July, I wrote a question. I wrote a letter to Mr. Amit Shah, very respectful letter, asking some questions. As Home Minister, did you approve the use of lethal force, including pellet guns against students? If not, who did? Are the people in plain clothes seen beating students with lathis, police personnel or volunteers? Who authorized that deployment? I haven't even, forget answer. I haven't even got an acknowledgement that this letter has been received. And finally, we will ensure, whether the government ensures it or doesn't ensure it, we will ensure that the students who were beaten, maybe not today, maybe some time from now, but we will ensure that every single one of those students who was beaten gets justice. We will ensure that the people who shot our students with pellet guns will be punished. It's very simple for us to do. We have the photographs. We've collected all the videos, all the photographs. We know the police officers who've done it. So you might think you're very smart, but accountability is going to come. This is our guarantee. This is our opposition guarantee to the students. So it is our advice to the Prime Minister, sack Shah and order a probe monitored by independent high-powered committee of the Supreme Court. We're not asking for anything that is out of the ordinary. At least have the decency to take responsibility for what you have done. Thank you. Hindi? Yes. जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स प्रोटेस्ट पे थे, पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट, नॉन वायलेंट प्रोटेस्ट, प्यार से रेजिस्ट कर रहे थे, उन पर पुलिस अट्रॉसिटी हुई, उन पर पेलेट गन चलाया गया। ये आप फोटो देख रहे हैं। एक युवा से तो मैं मिला जिसके शरीर में पेलेट्स थे, एक आंख में पेलेट गई, उसको दिखता नहीं है, शायद कभी ना दिखे। शॉक बेटन यूज किया गया, लाठी कीलों के साथ, लाठी में कील डालकर स्टूडेंट्स को मारा गया, महिलाओं को, माइनर्स को मारा गया। यहां पे आप देख सकते हैं पुलिस वाला थप्पड़ मार रहा है महिला को, और ये प्लेन क्लोथ ऑफिसर्स जो कोई नहीं जानता कौन है, वॉलंटियर्स हैं, आरएसएस के हैं, कहां से आए, ये भी पिटाई करने में इन्वॉल्व थे। ये आज मैंने एज LOP, एज रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, ये मैंने आज पार्लियामेंट में रेज करने की कोशिश की, मुझे बोलने नहीं दिया। स्पीकर से मैंने अनेक बार कहा कि प्लीज स्पीकर सर, हाउस को ऑर्डर में लाइए। हाउस को ऑर्डर में नहीं लाया। उसके बाद रिजिजू जी को बोलने दिया, डिफेंस मिनिस्टर को बोलने दिया, एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर को बोलने दिया, बट मुझे मौका नहीं दिया। मुझसे कहा गया कि आप अपोलोजाइज करो, अगर आप अपोलोजाइज करोगे तो हम आपको बोलने देंगे। मेरा हक बनता है बोलने का, और मैंने उनसे साफ कह दिया, भैया मैं आपसे कभी अपोलोजाइज नहीं करूंगा, मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है आपसे अपोलोजाइज करना, इसलिए मैं बोल नहीं पाया और इसलिए मुझे यहां पे ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करना पड़ रहा है। दिस इज नॉट द प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर मी टू स्पीक। द प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर मी टू स्पीक इज द Lok Sabha, and every time I try to speak there, I'm silenced.